Hello everyone, it's Jeremy. In this video, I want to talk about redirects, what they are, and how you can use them on your Spirelight website. So a redirect is basically your domain name with a / and then any number of characters that you specify. Typically it would be a word, could be numbers as well, but you're going to create a / and then a series of characters, and that's going to redirect people to any place on the internet that you specify. And so it can be useful for a number of applications. I'll explain that to you coming up next. We're in the dashboard here, and we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to jump here to URL Redirect. Now on this website, we have a number of redirects already in place, and these were put here when we launched the new site, and they were established in order to redirect traffic from the old website pages to the new website pages. So the URL paths were a little bit different. It's very important when you launch a new website that you have proper redirects set up. And you don't want Google to have dead links in their system. So you want to make sure the old pages forward to the new pages. But there are additional applications that you can use the redirect function for. Take, for instance, a third-party landing page. Let's say that you have a third-party landing page that you want to direct traffic to. Maybe it's a little bit of a longer URL, and you want to make something nice and short and memorable to give to people to direct them to that longer URL. Well, this is a great application for a redirect. For instance, I would click here on Add New Redirect, and I would specify, I would designate what that redirect would look like. So I would go /, let's just say live. And then I'm going to choose where to point traffic. So when people go to my domain name /live, where is that going to take them? Well, I could point it to an internal page on my site that already exists on my site, or I can send it to an external URL. And that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my external URL. And so this is the landing page. So rather than sending people to this URL here, this landing page, I'm going to just send them to my domain name /live, and it will redirect them to this URL. And so you can see how that can be really useful for efficiency. And so I'm going to click Add. Let's take a look in the list. So we see our redirect down here at the bottom. And then I would want to republish the page to make sure that that is locked in. And then let's list out. We'll go kpbc.net /live. Let's see where that goes. So it's going to land me on my third-party landing page. So there you have it. That's how redirects work. It can be very helpful if you need to send traffic somewhere, but you want a nice short URL to get them there. Redirects are a great application for that. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to reach out, support@spirelight.com. Have a great day.